That's the busy lizzy. It's a very traditional plant in South America. In England they have this in It's a support. It's not a parasite. If it would be a parasite, it would kill the tree. Okay? It sends all the roots down, pick up the minerals and water in the soil, and bump up to the plant. The Indians, they use the leaves of this plant to make the roof in the house, and also the roots to make a rope to tie their houses as well. So that was very good. And this plant you can find in the whole world, but in South America, it's the only place where you can find the fruits. That one there. We call that fruit the monkey banana. And flavensis, on the Greek language, it means yellow and white. That's the color of the flowers. The flowers has a star shape, the middle is white, and the little point it's yellow. So, yellow and white flowers. They bloom up in September, October. The jaracatia tree. In Argentina they use the bark of this tree, they cook and they make a very nice candy. It has a coconut taste. I tried this one, it's lovely. And this tree during the summer, it gives a fruit, it looks like a papaya. That's the wild papaya. You can also eat that one. So the monkeys, they also love to eat the fruit of it.